Hey, welcome to the tutorial video. Let's learn how to use our website. This video explains how to register a website, how to understand the signals. Also learn how to apply signals on brokers. Search on the internet profxcompany.com. If you think you are lucky, then press I am feeling lucky.
Here we go. This is our website. Before you accept and log in, please read our disclaimer. It's short and sweet. Please log in with Gmail. This step is secure with Google Security. Finally, we log into our website.
The first thing you have to do is go to browser settings and download ProFX Company application to your device. Also turn on the bell icon to receive real-time notifications. Now let's take time to understand signals. Signals already you can see in our page. Each signal specified. Option, Forex, commodity, stock. Only option signals will come with expiration. All other signals comes with stop loss and take profit. Come on, let's see some real-time demo signals to understand easily.
Here is a signal for option traders. This is a buy signal for Euro GBP. You can see the expiration underneath. Here is another signal for Forex traders. It is a buy signal for Euro USD. It is clearly specified with stop loss and take profit. Also, you can see some other signals from commodity and stock. At the time of signal, you can open your preferred broker and place the trade. We also suggest best brokers for beginners, also for professionals. Because of wide variety signals, we have to use different brokers for different markets. We also providing tutorial videos of our trading classes and live trading sessions in YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.
The signals on this website is 100% human-made signal. Thanks to our experts who working 24 hours to provide accurate signal. We have premium signal option. But let me remind you that you no need to pay a single penny to us. Because from free signals you can earn money. After you get satisfied, then only you can go for premium membership. With premium signals you'll get more signals with accuracy.
Important announcement. Trading news will send through our private message system. Please don't forget to check message randomly. Last but not least, our support team has ready to answer your questions, also to solve any kind of your trading related problems. Anytime you can contact our support team via mail. support@profxcompany.com. It is also easy to contact us through our official Facebook page.
Please don't forget to like our page and follow our Facebook updates. This is the way we build a community and all traders will be in one place. Let's start earn real money. Happy trading!